Yesterday I told you about the Roman number. Now today we will start the rounding of numbers. Rounding of numbers mean instead of giving the exact value, we give a number closer to it, which is easier to remember and use. First, rounding of nearest to the 10. For example, I will take 125. Now we have to write here ones, tens, 100. Now in place of tens we will see that in place of tens it has 2. Now we will see the next one. Next one number is 5. Now we will check with 5 because in 5 is the halfway between 1 and 10. So we will take 5. 5 is equal than 5. It means we will increase 1 in tens value. And in one's value, in place of one's value, we have to write 0. Then 130 is the answer. Now take another example. Suppose we have 137. Now in place of tens, we have 3. And next one number is 7. Now we will check. 7 is less than or greater than 5. It is greater than 5. So again we will increase 1 in place of 10. And in place of ones we have to write 0. Now the next one I will take also one example. It is 144. Now again we will check tens. In place of tens we have 4 and the next one digit is 4. Now we will check from 5. 5 is greater or 4 is greater? Now 5 is greater and 4 is less than 5. So we will not increase the tens. I will write same as it is 1, 4 and in place of ones we will take 0. Understood? Now we will start rounding off numbers to the nearest 100. Again we will take example. Suppose we have 2342. Now we will see the question is saying rounding off numbers to the nearest 100. Now we will see ones, tens, 100, 1000. It means in place of 100, here is 3. Again we will take the next one number. The next one number is 4. Now we will check from 5. 5 is greater or 4 is greater? Now 5 is greater. It means 4 is less than. Less than, again we will not increase. In place of 100, we will write same as it is. It means 2300. Now, next number is coming 0. Now, you have clear? I have clear. Now, this is your classwork. Do by yourself. Now, question number 1 and 2 is your classwork. Do in this lesson. And question number 3 is your homework.